Chapter 8. Artificial Intelligence. Introduction. Today, everything has transformed into the digital world. The brain of a human is so incredible that it can make an intelligent machine. These intelligent machines think and work like a human being. The intelligence shown by machines is known as artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of natural intelligence in machines that are programmed to learn and copy the actions of humans. These machines are able to learn with experience and perform human-like tasks. Artificial intelligence has grown to be very popular in nowadays. It is all around us and playing an important role in our daily lives. As technologies like AI continue to grow, they will have a great impact on our quality of life. Now, artificial intelligence has a variety of subfields ranging from general to specific, such as self-driving cars, playing chess, proving theorems, playing music, paintings, etc. In this chapter, we will learn about artificial intelligence, its branches, and how it is helpful for us. What is artificial intelligence? AI stands for artificial intelligence and refers to systems or machines that copy human intelligence to perform tasks. It is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Artificial intelligence can iteratively improve themselves based on the information they collect. A few examples of artificial intelligence are: chatbots use AI to understand your problems faster and provide more efficient answers. Intelligent assistants use AI to assist people with basic tasks, usually answer your questions about the weather, sports scores, to provide driving directions, and to answer similar information-based queries. Recommendation engines can provide automated recommendations for TV shows based on your viewing habits. Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. With artificial intelligence, you do not need to pre-program a machine to do some work. Despite that, you can create a machine with programmed algorithms which can work with own intelligence. Branches of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be used to solve real-world problems by implementing the following processes or techniques. Machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence (AI) that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. A machine learning algorithm recognizes patterns in the given data, trains a model, and predicts the outcome without having to explicitly program it for the same. Machine learning is classified into three types of learning. 1. Supervised learning. 2. Unsupervised learning. 3. Reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. Consider yourself as a student sitting in a classroom wherein your teacher is supervising you on how you are solving the problem or whether you are doing it correctly or not. Similarly, in supervised learning, input is provided as a labeled data set. A model can learn from it to provide the result of the problem easily. Labeled data set means for each data set given, an answer or solution to it is given as well. It would help the model in learning and hence providing the result of the problem easily. For example, a labeled data set of animal images would tell the model whether an image is of a dog, a cat, etc., using which a model gets training, and so whenever a new image comes up to the model, it can compare that image with the labeled data set for predicting the correct label. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning algorithm is completely opposite to supervised learning. There is no labeled data set used to train the machine in unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of self-organized learning that helps find previously unknown patterns in data set without pre-existing labels. Here, we basically provide the machine with data and ask to look for hidden features and cluster the data in a way that makes sense. Suppose you have given a picture of bird to the model and there is no labeled data set provided. Then how can the model find out whether it is a cat or a dog or a bird? So, if the model has been provided some information such as if an animal has feathers, a beak, wings, etc., it is a bird. In the same way, if an animal has fluffy fur, floppy ears, a curly tail, and maybe some spots, it is a dog, and so on. Reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, the algorithms learn to react to an environment on their own. It is rapidly growing and moreover producing a variety of learning algorithms. These algorithms are useful in robotics, gaming, vacuum cleaners, driverless cars, scheduling of elevators, etc. For a learning agent, there is always a start state and an end state. However, to reach the end state, there might be a different path like a maze. This is the scenario wherein reinforcement learning is able to find a solution for a problem. The agent travels from one state to another. The agent gets the reward or appreciation on success, but will not receive any reward or appreciation on failure. In this way, the agent learns from the environment. Deep learning. Deep learning is the process of learning by processing and analyzing the input data by several methods until the machine discovers the single desirable output. It is also known as the self-learning of the machines. The machine runs various random programs and algorithms to map the input raw sequence of input data to output. The example of deep learning is speech recognition in phones, which allows the smartphones to understand a different kind of accent of the speaker and convert it to meaningful speech. Neural networks. Neural network is a branch of artificial intelligence, helps machines process how the human brain operates. It involves making use of artificial brain neurons to solve complex problems. This branch of AI also involves implementing mathematical functions and statistical techniques to solve real-world problems. It is used in fields such as risk analysis, market research, fraud detection, forecasting, and stock exchange prediction. In neural networks, you need to feed your model with inputs in the first layer, specify the hidden layers, and the output would be your last layer. The role of hidden layers is to extract important information from the input provided to predict the outcome. If you are familiar with the biology of a neuron, neural networks might be easier for you to understand. The input layer, like dendrite, is the receptor that takes the input. The neuron processes the information like the hidden layers, and the axon transfers the processed signals and acts like the output layer. Robotics. This is a very interesting branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the design and development of robots. Robotics deals with the designing, constructing, and operating of robots. The aim of deploying robots is to help humans with tedious and bulky tasks. These tasks involve the control of computer systems, information transformation, and manufacturing of automobiles. It is used by NASA to move heavy objects in space. Robots also act as artificial intelligence agents that perform tasks in a real-world environment with the aim of actualizing results. Expert system. We now know how we can program a machine to learn like a human, but ever wonder how to make a machine think like a human? This is where expert systems come into role. The expert system is an application to enable the computer to mimic the decision-making ability of humans. The three components of an expert system are user interface, inference engine, and knowledge base. Like our eyes, the user interface takes the user query and passes it on to the inference engine. The inference engine is like our brain. It has a specific sequence of rules to solve a problem, and it refers to the knowledge base to provide reasoning. The knowledge base is like our memory. It is a huge repository of information obtained from experts in the domain. Hence, the success of an expert system highly depends on the accuracy of its knowledge. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is a technique that deals with solving problems having uncertainty. Imagine you are looking up in the sky and see a few dark clouds on a nice sunny day. Can you guess it would rain or not? In such a situation, fuzzy logic will help you. This branch of AI is the technique of modifying and representing uncertain information by analyzing the degree to which the hypothesis is true. Fuzzy logic helps to offer a certain level of reasoning flexibility when faced with uncertainties. It is used in the medical fields, vehicle environment control, and so on to solve complex problems that involve decision-making. Domains of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence becomes intelligent according to the training which it gets. The machine is fed with data sets for training. According to the applications for which the AI algorithm is being developed, the data which is fed into it changes. With respect to the type of data fed in the AI model, AI models can be broadly categorized into three domains: data science, computer vision, natural language processing. Data science. Data science is a domain of AI related to data systems and processes, in which the system collects numerous data, maintains data sets, and derives meaning or sense out of them. The information extracted through data science can be used to make a decision about it. Example of data science. 1. Internet search. There are many search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, AOL, and so on. All these search engines, including Google, make use of data science algorithms to deliver the best result for our searched query in the fraction of a second. 2. Price comparison websites. These websites are being driven by a large amount of data. If you have ever used these websites, you would know the convenience of comparing the price of a product from multiple vendors at one place. For example, Price Grabber, Price Runner, Junglee, Shopzilla, Deal Time, etc. Computer vision, CV. Computer vision algorithms understand an image by breaking down an image and studying different parts of the objects. This helps the machine classify and learn from a set of images to make a better output decision based on previous observations. Suppose we have a complex image of a bundle of things, then only seeing the image and memorizing it is not easily possible for everyone. The computer vision can incorporate a series of transformations to the image to extract the bit and byte detail about it, like the sharp edges of the objects, unusual design or color used, etc. Examples of computer vision. 1. Self-driving cars. CV systems scan live objects and analyze them based on whether the car decides to keep running or to stop. 2. Facial recognition. Computer vision plays a vital role in making the home smarter. Security, being the most important application, involves use of computer vision for facial recognition. It can be either guest recognition or log maintenance of the visitors. Natural language processing, NLP. It is important to remember that computers don't speak or think in human languages like English or Spanish or French. Computer can only understand the language of zeros and ones. This may not seem like an easy task to teach machines to understand our communication. The process of making a machine read, decipher, understand, and make sense out of human interactions is called natural language processing. NLP is simply the process of making computer systems and machines to understand basic human interactions. This process involves a machine receiving human sound from interaction and converting it to text format so that it can be easily read and understood. These texts are then converted to components by the computer system that will make it understand the intention of the human. Examples of natural language processing. 1. Email filters. Email filters are one of the most basic and initial applications of NLP online. It started out with spam filters, uncovering certain words or phrases that signal a spam message. 2. Smart assistants. Smart assistants recognize patterns in speech, then infer meaning and provide a useful response. Siri, Cortana, Alexa, Google Assistant, etc. are the examples of smart assistants. In a nutshell, 1. Artificial intelligence refers to systems or machines that copy human intelligence to perform tasks. 2. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence (AI) that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. 3. AI models can be broadly categorized into 3 domains, that is, data science, computer vision, and natural language processing. 4. The process of making a machine read, decipher, understand, and make sense out of human interaction is called natural language processing.
1.